Belen, we are very pleased to welcome you to XOC Garden Spa and Cafe. First, I would like to introduce our humble beginning. XOC Garden Spa and Cafe is a young and dynamic company inaugurated last October 15 this year. It is affiliated with XOC Catering and XOC Event Styling, one of the best suppliers in Pampanga. XOC Garden Spa and Cafe is the ultimate one-stop dream destination, a true gem in the heart of the Orchid Garden Resort Business Complex in San Juan, San Fernando, Pampanga. It is very easily accessible to all types of public transportation and has convenient free parking spaces. XOC Garden Spa and Cafe is also committed to deliver an excellent product and to provide services beyond clients' expectations. The spa offers a variety of therapeutic treatment that will relax your mind, body, and soul, while the cafe provides various coffee blends and cakes that will guarantee a new feeling of you. To totally satisfy and let you unwind from the rigors of daily life, the cafe serves freshly cooked gastronomic meals for lunch and dinner. The XOC Garden Spa and Cafe Happy Team will make you feel at home and special. Our friendly, professional, and skilled staff will always deliver the art of customer service that will guarantee to deliver moments of magic every time you visit.